Hey everyone, have you ever worried about bad breath? You're not alone. Today, let's talk about 5 common reasons why your mouth smells bad, and simple ways to keep your breath fresh and clean every day. Let's dive in. The number 1 cause of bad breath is poor oral hygiene. When you don't brush and floss properly, food particles stay in your mouth and cause bacteria buildup. This bacteria releases a foul odor. So remember, brush your teeth twice a day and floss daily to clean those hard-to-reach spots. Your tongue can trap bacteria and food particles too. If you notice a white or yellowish coating on your tongue, that's a sign. Use a tongue scraper or gently brush your tongue every day to remove the buildup and improve your breath. When your mouth is dry, saliva can't wash away food and bacteria. This often happens during sleep or if you breathe through your mouth. Drinking water often and chewing sugar-free gum can help boost saliva flow. Also, avoid too much caffeine or alcohol. They dry out your mouth. Garlic, onions, coffee, and spicy foods can leave strong smells that linger in your mouth. Try to rinse your mouth or chew parsley or mint after meals. Brushing after eating also helps reduce food-based odors. Sometimes bad breath comes from gum disease or other health issues like sinus infections, diabetes, or acid reflux. If you have persistent bad breath even after brushing, it's best to see a dentist or doctor for a checkup. And don't forget, a healthy mouth is a fresh mouth. Brush and floss every day, clean your tongue, stay hydrated, avoid smelly foods, visit the dentist every 6 months. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay fresh, stay confident. See you in the next video.